Zoe is giving party hats filled with candy to guests at her birthday party. Use the drawing to determine the volume of the hat. Use 3.14 as pi. Round to the nearest tenth. Notice that we're given the height of the cone and we're given the radius of the circle, which is its base. The volume formula that we'll use looks like this. Volume equals 1/3 pi r square h. Pi r square, that look familiar? Area of a circle. We're after the volume, and so that means we'll substitute in values for pi, for r, and for h. We were told in the problem to use the approximation 3.14 for pi. For r, we'll use 3, and for h, we'll use 14. I'm going to go back and erase this equal sign, and in its place, I'm going to put this symbol, which means approximately equal to, because we're using an approximation for pi, the 3.14. Now is the time to pick up your calculator and do the multiplication and the division by 3. And if you do it correctly, on your screen, you will see 131.88. We were told to round to the nearest tenth. So using our rounding off rules, we would now have 131.9. Now let's talk about units. The radius is given in centimeters, so this would be centimeter times centimeter. And the height is also in centimeter. So centimeter times centimeter times centimeter would be centimeter cubed. So finally, our answer is this. The volume of the cone is approximately 131 9/10 cubic centimeters.
Find the volume of the sphere. Round to the nearest tenth. So notice we have a sphere here that has a radius of 4 millimeters, and we're going to use the formula volume equals 4/3 times pi times r cubed. So let's go ahead and substitute our value of 4 millimeters into our equation. So we have the volume equals 4/3 pi times 4 cubed. Now if you put this in your calculator, you're going to get a number that is approximately 268.08, and it says to round to the nearest tenth, so I don't need to worry about any numbers past the 8. So because the 8, of course, is bigger than 5, our answer then is going to be V is approximately equal to 268.1. And this is going to be cubic millimeters.
Find the volume of the pyramid, round to the nearest tenth if necessary. Well, the formula that we need to use to find the volume of this pyramid is 1/3 times the area of the base times the height of the pyramid. So, by looking at our picture, the first thing that we need to do is we need to look at the base. The base is a 3 by 3 square. So the area of the base is just 3 times 3. The height of the pyramid is 8. So we fill in our 3's for the base, 3 times 3 for the base, and 8 for the height. Next thing we're going to do is we are going to simplify this. 3 times 3 is 9, So now we have 1/3 times 9 times 8. 1/3 times 9 is 9 divided by 3, which is 3. And 3 times 8 is 24. So we get 24 cubic millimeters. So the volume of this pyramid is 24 cubic millimeters.